week, and it started out Saturday where I took a massive tumble and essentially gave myself whiplash, and I feel like I'm beat up by a truck. But I was actually working on a video that I thought I needed to get out, and I realized I didn't have anything for Halloween. So I quickly looked on Pinterest and came up with a few ideas on Halloween paintings that I'm going to be working on over the next few weeks. And I wanted to get this one posted and up and going because it's just around the corner, and I know a lot of you love to decorate. These are mini paintings that I am creating. I actually package these up, I frame them, and I sell them at a local flea market that I work on weekends. But I wanted to try this concept. These are called cat-o'-lanterns, and it's the idea of orange cats making them look like pumpkins. It's cute. You can have some fun with it. Pinterest is a fantastic tool for inspiration. I don't think you should necessarily copy stroke for stroke. I can't. I mean, I will see a concept and I will take it and run with it and make it my own. I'm tired. My body is still recovering from the fall, so I am gonna just cut this little voiceover short since it is a short video and say thanks for following along. And if you have any ideas or suggestions or something that you want to see me paint, drop it in the comments and we'll see what we can work out. But over the next few weeks, I am gonna be doing some quick little Halloween videos and tutorials to show you that you too can make some art for your home decor. You don't actually have to go and buy anything. And I know that's hard to say because I am an artist and essentially my living is based off of you buying something from me. So, hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions or if you want to know the supplies I'm using, they're all linked in the description below in YouTube. I did like this version of it. There's two, but I like the color concept of this, the orange and the purple, because when you think of Halloween, you think of dark and scary and spooky, and purple and orange tend to be one of those colors they use in a lot of decorations. Anyway, thanks for following along. Make sure you do subscribe, drop a comment, and I will see you next time.